guys, it's Zaire. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been on camera, but I'm back. First and foremost, excuse my voice. I'm like getting over a cold right now and I sound kind of like a man, but you know, we're just gonna go with it. So, first of all, I know it's been a while since I've been on here. How are you guys? I miss you. As you can tell by the title, it's gonna be like an unboxing slash Bvlgari haul. I think you guys are gonna love the stuff that I got. It's not a lot, but just a couple items, but I think you guys are going to love it because I am obsessed. But I bought this stuff like a few months ago. I just haven't, really used it yet. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into the video. So we're gonna start with this bag. And we're gonna bring out both items. As you can tell by these dust bags, there is 2 purses in here. Let's start with this one. Actually, no, I want to start with this one. Okay. Alrighty, guys. So, stop. Look at this. Okay, sorry. But no, literally, can we take a moment to appreciate, come on, appreciate this beauty. Yes, giving Barbie. Okay, anywho, so this is the first item that I got. It's this cute little micro bag. It also has a crossbody strap to go with it. Wait a minute. Okay, so you see it has the strap to go with it. This is like a belt. Anyway, so but I like to wear it as like a little mini bag. I love a micro bag. I love a little bag we can carry around, but I just am obsessed with it. It's leather. It's super soft. And I like it because it's kind of like, you can like stretch it, you know what I mean? You can fit a lot of stuff in here. On the inside, I just have like the little card that comes in here. And it came with like a water resistant bag, which is good because it's nothing like being out and then it starts raining and you mess up your bag. So anyway, the inside is actually like pretty roomy. You can fit a lot of stuff in there, and then it has like a little pocket right here that's like too small to really put stuff in, but super cute, right? Obsessed. You can even like put it like this if you want. It's just so cute. This actually looks good with this outfit. Okay, anyway, so this bag is like perfect for going out, like a nice little dinner, or if you're gonna be like going to a nice bar and you don't want to carry like a huge bag with you, this will be perfect. You can make this like a statement piece, which is like what I have planned in my mind, like maybe like an all black moment or all white moment, pop a color. I need to get some shoes this color, and then that would be perfect. So you can style this many different ways. Like I said, I just think it's super cute. So that's the first thing I got. I should show you guys what it looked like with the strap, but honestly, I'm not a fan of this strap. I just think it's too thick and chunky for this cute, petite little bag. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, it doesn't look bad. Like, in my opinion, I just think it's too chunky. I think this should have had like a chain like this, like a gold long chain too. That's what I would have done if I designed it. But you know, it's still cute. So moving on to the next item, which is gonna be another purse. Also obsessed with this one. Okay. Look at this. Now, I know what you guys are probably thinking. Like, this looks exactly like the other one. But it doesn't. Okay? Like, my friend was like, they look exactly the same. I'm like, no, they do not. There's a major difference. Okay? Anywho, let's just take a moment. First of all, I love the snake eyes on this. Absolutely adorable. Like this on the back. Super cute. Now, this one, you can do like a long chain, okay? But I realized that there's also a way where you can make it short, or you can make it like a short chain like this. Super cute, right? Okay. So this is gonna be your classic Bvlgari bag. I'm just obsessed with this. I'm sorry. Look how cute this is. It's just adorable. I got both pink bags because, like, I don't know, I was just like in a pink mood. They had like a lot of pink stuff when I went in there, and of course that's what even caught my eye when I was walking by the store. I was like, oh my god, it's like a Barbie Wonderland in there. So of course I went in and I was like, I need. So I love both bags. I feel like this one can be more of like an everyday bag. Like you can actually like wear this with jeans, like a cute little top, and like, you know, go shopping, or like, you know, go to a cute little brunch or something. Like this can be more of a casual bag if you ask me. I think the little mini bag is like more of a dressed up kind of bag. I think this one you can dress up or down, which is like, I like this for that reason. Also pretty roomy on the inside. Now this one doesn't stretch as much, but it's more in depth. It's like it's deeper, so you can fit more stuff in there. This one also came with the little card to prove that it's real, and then another water resistant bag. But this one also came with this little compact mirror. Can you see it? Okay, yeah, wait. Okay, so it's like pink. It's a mirror on this side. Oh, not me in the phone. But it's so cute. And it has like a little snake head on this side. But isn't this so cute? Like, so cute. And like I said, this one you can either make super long, you could do it short, you can do it cross, but I like it like this. So cute, right? Yeah. So this is the second bag that I got. And also I want to show you guys something too, if I wasn't recording on my phone. So yes, I'm recording on my phone because I need a new camera. Like that's another reason why I haven't filmed as many videos. My camera is like, I don't know. And I got a new laptop, so I'm just like, I don't know. I need to get my life together. But anyhow. So if I wasn't filming this on my phone, I would show you guys. But it's called Bvlgari Touch. And it's like a QR code kind of thing. So you use your phone and you tap the bag where the symbol is. It's like a little like tap thing in there. So you tap it with your phone and it opens up an app. It's so cool. I might like try to screen record it or something and put it in the video. Let me know in the comments down below, which bag do you like more? The first one or the second one? And do you think they looked exactly the same and I just wasted money? Or like, they're two different bags, right? I think they're two different bags. But anyway, comment down below. Let's move to the next item. And last but not least, we have this item. Okay, so I love this. So if you guys don't know what's in this box, it is a scarf. And I love it because it has like the print on it like this. And it's like an ombre scarf. So I'm going to open it up so you guys can see. But you see it's like an ombre. And it's super long. And on this side it's like this. But it's like super pretty, and I figured it matches the purses, so I could like, you know, just like, this is not how I wear the scarf, like something like this. See, super cute, you know, and I could just wear this with the bags, or, you know, something, you know, simple. Just kind of drape it over like this, you know, kind of have it like that. Oh, that's cute. But I never tried it like this, but this is super cute. You know what I mean? Just like a little classy little moment. You could even do something in the hair with this. You know how they be wearing the scarves. And you can kind of do something like this around the hair. Not like, you guys know what I mean. Like, I'm not trying to mess up my hair right now. Okay. But isn't this so cute? And I feel like you could even wrap this and make it into like a shirt. You could do anything with this. I'm probably gonna use this side more, just because I feel like this matches the bags better. But you could even make this into like a cute little top. Like, ooh, yes. So that's the last thing I got. Super cute, right? So let's do a small recap. We have the micro mini bag first. Super cute. This one I think is my favorite. It's giving me like Chanel vibes, because I really want a Chanel bag. Ugh, the day I get a Chanel bag, you guys are not gonna hear the end of it. But anyway, so this is item number 1. Then we have this crossbody long chain Serpenti classic Bvlgari bag. Absolutely love this. And then we have our Bvlgari printed ombre scarf. So which one do you guys like the most? What do you guys think? Like, do you like them? I think they're super cute. My friend was like, why'd you buy everything pink? Like I said, they have so much pink stuff in there, and I love pink, and I thought they were super cute. And I definitely do think they're 2 different kind of bags, and you can dress them up, dress them down. They could be a statement piece, or they can be, you know, like something like you could wear all pink outfit. You could do anything with these items, in my opinion. So yeah, I can't wait till I take some pictures. Maybe I might do a lookbook. If you guys want to see a lookbook using these items, how to make a pink statement piece or how to style hot pink, comment down below, because that actually might be a good idea for a video. If you have any other video ideas, definitely just leave a comment down below. Like, help me help you. I'm like, if you guys want to see this beautiful face on your screen some more, then you gotta help me think of ideas, because I don't be knowing what to film. So yes. But I mean, I'm sorry I cannot stay out this camera today, guys. I'm just feeling so cute. I love the way my makeup came out. I love this outfit. But anyway, so yeah, that is all for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little haul / unboxing video. I love everything that I got. I think it's super cute. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Yeah, also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I guess it's until I see you again. I love you guys. Stay beautiful. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.